Hello, mathematicians. Happy Monday. I know it's overcast outside and it just looks so blah, but you know what? We have Post-it method to cheer us up. So let's get right into it. The teaching point is mathematicians find multiple ways to solve problems by working together to discuss, present their solutions, and critique the reasoning of their peers. This is Post-it method number 23. So as you know, when we are doing word problems or story problems, we want to keep solve in mind. So when we're keeping solve in mind, we are studying the problem, we're organizing the facts, we are making certain that we're lining up a plan, we're verifying this plan with action, we're making certain that we're labeling any units if necessary, we're examining our results by checking our work and using reasonable thinking, and lastly, we are explaining our thinking using mathematical language. We want to be able to use an array of different strategies, including making models, writing equations, drawing pictures, tape diagram bar model, and working backwards, and then simply just using tools. Okay, so you can solve many ways. Let's get into the problem. So in this problem, we saw a problem very similar to this a few weeks ago, but we used fractions then. This time now, since we're in a problem using decimals. Nyla and Elias are building a castle out of plastic building blocks. They will need 4.5 buckets of blocks for the castle they have in mind. Nyla used to have 2 full buckets of blocks but lost some and now have 1.75 buckets. Elias used to have 2 full buckets of blocks too, but now has 2.25 buckets. If Nyla and Elias combine their buckets of blocks, will they have enough to build their castle? Part B, stepping up the rigor. What is the difference between the amount of blocks Nyla and Elias use to have combined minus the amount they currently have combined? So what I would like for you to do is I would like for you to pause right here, and I want you to jot down some past concepts that will help you solve this problem. So you're going to have 8 minutes to solve the problem. Then you're going to take 3 minutes and you're going to discuss with a partner on Google Classroom. Then I would like for you to invite another partner into the group and further discuss. Take about 2 minutes to then come up with an answer. Agree on it. Make certain that you both agree on the answer and you're able to discuss on how you got to that answer and agree on that. And not necessarily agree on the way that you approach, because there are many ways to get to the answer, but maybe seeing another perspective. And then what I would like for you to do is I want you to post your answer using mathematical language inside the response box of the assignment question. I want you to also take some time to give student feedback. Before you actually post your response, I want you to think about what you did, and I want you to also make certain that you are think about what you did well. Also think about something that you can work on. It's important that we're reflecting on our work, especially now when teachers are not in front of you and your friends are not in front of you to give you that face-to-face feedback, because everything is through a screen. So the feedback is always through a screen or through typing, but we want to make certain that we're actually thinking about our work on our own. And that's so important in order to grow as mathematicians. Make certain that you're using the group discussion prompts that are present here. It's also inside of the instructions. I want you to also make certain that you are peer assessing. Make certain that you're peer assessing. Group assessment is so important, and assessing others is a way in which we grow. So hearing other people's feedback is going to be ways that we can learn to help us grow. Please make sure that you are solving all your work in your notebook and really thinking through this, because I know that when we did this problem last time, we discussed it, and we were able to work through this problem together. And so I want you to continue thinking about the strategies we used as a class the last time we went over this problem, and thinking about how we can use those same strategies to solve this problem. All right, enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Bye.